Welcome to the frame assembly video for the Jumping 7x10 trampoline. This video will walk you step by step through the process of putting together your new trampoline. Note: use rubber mallet to ensure connectors are fully assembled to the top rail. To assemble your frame, select a well-lit and spacious area with a flat, level surface. Lay out all frame parts you should have. To top rails A. To top rails B. To top rails C. To top rails D. To top rails E. To top rails F. 8 leg extensions. For W leg. First, we will complete each of the two sections of the frame. Layout to top rails A. To top rails B. To top rails E. To top rails D. Then, insert top rails B into top rails A. Finally, insert top rails D into top rails E. Next, attach one leg to each of the four sections. For each section, we'll need one W leg, 2 leg extensions, one section of the two top rails. Insert 2 leg extensions into the W leg. Then, insert the leg into one of the sections. Repeat until you complete the 4 sections. We should have 4 sections assembled. First, insert top rail C into one of the sections A and B. Then, insert other end of top rail C into one of the sections D and D. Repeat the steps for the remaining sections. Finally, insert top rails F into both ends. Congratulations, the frame is fully assembled.